Excuse me, sir.
Hey, Reena.
Any problem?
Yes, sir. I have been feeling very ill from a few days.
Why? What happened?
I don't know what's wrong with my health, sir. Sometimes I feel very ill.
How do you feel? What are the symptoms?
I have been constipated, diarrhea. I feel nothing to eat, and there is abdominal pain too, and many other symptoms. I can feel myself sore.
It can be diagnosed with Grahani Roga, which is almost correlated with IBS. That is irritable bowel syndrome in modern aspect. Wait, I have a video about this disease. Let us watch now.
So today this video is to know about the Grahani Roga. Before getting into the topic, I want to clear out that what the Grahani means. So here the Grahani is nothing but the Agni Adhisthana. That is the one which gives the Ashraya to the Agni is nothing but the Grahani. Grahani and Agni are said to have the Ashraya-Ashraya Sambandha. Combined effect of these two will produce all needed bhavas for the body. Supporting the above mentioned concept, so it has been concluded that Bala of Grahani is the Bala of Agni and vice versa. So any defect or pathology in the function of any of these two will lead to the diseased condition called Grahani Roga. Pratyatma Lakshana of Grahani Roga is Muhbadda, Dravamala, Pravrutti with other Lakshanas like Apachana, Aruchi, Udarashula, Udaragurava, Atopa, Vridhaha, Vistamba, Alasya, Prasika, etc. Usually in modern size, enteritis, IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, non-tropical sprue, tropical sprue, malabsorption syndrome, stytidia, etc. With this set of disease can be compared with the Grahani Roga.
Nidhana or causes of Grahani Roga. As we know, Mithya Ahara and Vihara is a main cause for many diseases, like Agni Dushti. Agni Dushti is caused by Mithya Ahara and Vihara, which leads to the Amadosha and finally result into Grahani Roga. These Nidhana are divided into two, that is Aharaja Nidhana and Viharaja Nidhana. Aharaja Nidhana is intake of Ati Katu Ahara, Ati Snigdha, Ati Amla, Ati Kuru, Ati Shita, Ati Ambupana and Vishamashana. Now the Viharaja Nidhana. Divasapna, Ratri Jagarana, Vega Vidharana, and Ati Vyayama, these Grahani Rogas has impact over the Manasa Nidhana also. Samprapti of Grahani Roga, Agni Vikrutikara Hetus, that is the Aharasa and Viharasa, which will affect the Agni, comes under this, which leads to the vitiation of Dosha, that is Dosha Prakopa, which further leads to the Agni Dushti, Apachana, and Ama Utpatti. Ama Utpatti will convert into Shuktapaka, which leads to the Ama Visha, then Grahani Dosha. If this Grahani Dosha is not being treated, it definitely causes Grahani Dushti and finally result into Grahani Roga. Here, the functions of Grahani like retention, digestion and absorption are affected.
Now, let us discuss about the Chikitsa of Grahani Roga. Chikitsa Sutra like Deepana, Sangrahi Aushadha Prayoga, finally Pachana has been mentioned. Tarkadhara, Tarkabasti, Mushta preparation, Shanka Bhashma, Kapardika Bhashma, various rasa preparations like Prapti Kalpanas, Ananda Bahirava Rasa, etc. are already in the practice. Hope this video has helped you to know about the Grahani Rogas. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Follow for the more videos.